game, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Washing style time. You better chill out, bro. You better know what you doing, bro. That's the detailing shower brush? I'm so lost right now. I see gray lather. That's all I see. If you... Bro, what's going on right now? I'm so lost. Oh, heck nah. Boy, that hairline box sharp. Still need to work on them waves, though, man. And why do you have a mask on if it ain't gonna help you lay your beard down? What's the point? Hey, all my TikTokers, man. If y'all don't know who this is, this the OG. Bori360 right here, man. One of the OGs in the wave game, you feel me? He about to show y'all how to put your do-rag on or your wave cap without having that mean do-rag line on your forehead, you feel me? That's the dope trick right here, man. I ain't never seen this technique before until I saw Bori360 do this jump. Look at this. Just put that little headband over the wave cap and roll that joint back up, yo. Ain't that smart? That's smart, right? Bruh. Goes to waves, wash, and style. You messed up with that end. It's and. A-N-D. Or the and sign. Get all over. I don't know what he just said. Rinse it all out. Alright, that's the first wash. Do it again. Okay. Okay. You know what you're doing. Do it again. What's next? Apply more shampoo. What's next? Do I even gotta talk no more? I don't gotta talk no more. Alright? He know what he doing. Okay, 5 minutes later, keep doing it. Alright, let me see that brush now. Great lather and every... Come on, bro. You didn't have to do that. Alright, apply some more shampoo if you wanted to, just to get it lathered a little bit more. Okay? I'm liking this dude, man. I like him. I like him. I didn't even see that much lather, but okay. Let me see the unwrap. Here's the results. Why is it black and white? I can't really see nothing. But I do see a little bit of definition. I see silkiness. I liked it. You did good. For anybody that wants to become a brand ambassador and make some money from home, check out the link in my bio, 26kingwavy.com, and become an ambassador. Hey, man. It makes me so happy seeing people from all over the world attempting to get waves or trying to do waves or even brushing to get waves. Like, it just makes me feel so happy about what I do, teaching people how to get waves. I know I'm mean all the time when I'm teaching you how to get waves or what to do, what not to do, what you need to do to get better. But that's just how I am. It makes it entertaining, and that's why I do it. I don't want to be nice all the time, you feel me? Great lather, by the way, dude. But yeah, it makes me feel so happy seeing people from all over the world trying to do waves. But yeah, let's get right into this, man. Where is the lather, bro? I don't see any lather on your head. It's gone. Hey, you better be spinning when you take that do-rag off, man. I ain't playing. I'm going to tell you what you need to work on. I like that silky do-rag, though. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It's a clay and lay method. I never actually tried this method, but I think it's for laying down your waves or your hair overall. But I really never thought I should try it because I had no problem laying down my hair. But anybody that has problems laying down your hair, I guess the clay and lay will be a perfect technique for you to lay your hair down. Maybe the clay has more benefits to add into your hair or nutrients that I don't know about, but just me personally, I would never try the clay and lay. It's just too much. It's too much. If we're being honest, bro, your junk look a little dry. No silkiness. I do see definition, though. Do another wolf session. We'll see. Alright, y'all. So I saw this thumbnail somewhere, and I know that he's going to get a Nike check sign on his head for his haircut. I know you're not an elite waver, or you don't really care about waving when you do this stuff right here. You get those designs, losing progress all over there. You don't really care. You feel me? Me, on the other hand, or other elite wavers that go in 2-3 brush sessions a day, we would die. Alright, if we ever get this junk Nike sign or design on our head, because we just lost months of progress right there. Alright? When you get parts like this, you lose progress. So it's like, either you're elite or not. How to get waves for straight hair only, bro. There's no curls whatsoever on your head right now. There's no possible way in the freaking world that you are going to get waves with your hair that straight. Alright, I ain't gonna like for results because I don't want to see the results. We got a wave check. It's freezing in here, man. What the heck? I didn't even finish the first one. What am I looking at right now? Hey, be real. I need off you. Okay, I'm gonna be real with you. No sugarcoat. First off, you only take this long to take your do-rag off if you're spinning. If you're not spinning, you're taking way too long. You need to wolf. You need to wolf, and wolf again. All right, because honestly, I don't see nothing right now. You need to work on your crown. You need to put that brush work in twice a day, 30 minutes every single session, and wolf 6 to 8 weeks every single time. All right. Here, this is the goal of the washing style, man. You want to try to get the ultimate lather. Like, lathering is really like the heart of the washing style. If you wash in style and don't get no lather, what was the point? Because when you get that lather, you actually get your hair to lay down the way you want it to. When you get that lather, you actually cleaning your hair. When you get that lather, you actually get your hair to move the way you want it to. When you get that lather, you actually progressing. All right, get that lather going and have a good washing style. How to get waves. This dude about to teach me and y'all how to get waves. No brush, okay. A shampoo for what? To get waves?
That's all you need.
What?
So first, you want to do is
wait. How to get waves or how to wash your waves? Because that's two different things.
Get it all wet, nice and wet. Then you want to put
alright, man, forget it.
Shampoo in there.
What in the world is that? Look like a shotgun pointing at you.
Stretch it in, get the dirt out.
What the heck?
Okay, then you're gonna start first.
Where's your mirror? You need a handheld mirror to see what you're doing. You breaking the wave law right there, man. You about to have mad forks.
Then
what type of do-rag is that? What in the?
Get it right.
That's not how you put your do-rag on, bro. What type of string you? Yo, all right, man.
Wash your hair out with the do-rag on. Okay.
Bro, that just still dripping.
All you gotta do is
use the towel with a freaking. All right, forget it. Let's keep going.
Take your do-rag off. And
take it off. Ain't nothing. Just cause this dude fights and he'll probably knock me out with one punch, that don't mean I'm not gonna critique his waves hard. Let me tell you something. You one of the best wavers out there, bro. You got it. Hey, man, let me stop playing, bro. You definitely need to wolf, man. You need more work, all right? And stop showing me your face. Show me the waves. I don't care about all this, man. Let me see the waves. If you spinning, let me see the back too. Somebody told me to react to this. Let me see. Take the wave cap off, you feel me? Oh, he a youngin'. Let me see what you're working with, youngin'. Whoo! If you though, I was bald. OMG, this is, dang. Oh, heck, what the? So we got a wolf cut. From the way his wolf is looking right now, bro, I could tell that cut gonna be fire. It's gonna be silky. I'm gonna see great definition because that wolf look too fire right now, bro. And he didn't cut it too low. I'm loving it, man. Great silkiness. Okay, he getting a taper. That look like a hot taper though. You should have got like a low taper, like a temple taper, like super low. But you still got mad forks though, bro. What was you doing in that wolf session? You was trying to break forks, or you was just wolfing just a wolf, man? Because I do see great shine. I also see a lot of forks. You feel me? So you know I gotta put that out there too. You gotta break them forks, man. Getting that shape up. Okay. Everything coming together all nice except for them forks. You gotta break them forks. You gotta break them forks. But nice cut overall, man. That's gonna look fire. Okay, the back looks good. The crown looks good. It's just that top right, man. You gotta work on that. Do another. Your wave's not locked in if you can't do this. Of course. This is the ultimate test right here. If your wave's not trained, we do this. If it don't come back, then you're not wavy. Alright? Y'all hear that? That's how you do it. Hey man. I just want to say congrats to my boy Devel Perry. Devel de la Perry. Javinci. What's that? Javinci? Gavinci? I don't know how you say it. But big congrats to my boy Devel Perry. One of the best wavers on TikTok, on hitting 100K followers on TikTok. 100K followers, man. Congrats, bro. Congrats, man. You spending though. I'm so grateful for this. Ain't got so much. Almost at 20K. Please go follow me on Instagram. Almost at 40K. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Almost at 200K. And also, if y'all want the best hair care products in the world, click that link right here, or 7 years ago.